26, season 11. Tuesday, August 2nd, or Thursday, August 2nd, 2018.
If you want.
This is his most played character, so I would assume that's a maybe. It's at least a maybe.
I'm just psychic, so.
I need to clear this thing out. Actually add people. Just at random, whoever doesn't have. Whoever hasn't been on for a week.
Hello.
I don't recognize their name.
Hello.
You guys gonna walk up to the top left, or what's the plan here?
We're gonna walk through.
So, straight. So, okay, straight, I guess.
They have Widow. They have Mercy. They have Winston.
Can't, you jumped out of the way. Go to the point, go left side, left side. Winston's purple.
They have a widow on the point.
Got the Anna.
Top point, top.
Keep him behind y'all,
Mercy next.
Winnable. They have no heals, they have no heals.
Help in this room, need help in this room to your right. To your left, excuse me. Oh my god. Help with it still!
Try it.
She's gotta be pissed, I was dead the
One
entire
push.
time.
Got like no charge, man. Fucking sad.
Oh, hey, that's that widow from last game.
Oh, what a coincidence.
I have coalescence.
What is speaking from pillar?
Ooh, big.
On Mercy's half.
Behind me, I need heals.
Mercy down.
Behind cart, kneel. Thank you.
I swear
Got both healers. 3 kills.
Zarya.
What is peeking from the little stand?
They have walls.
I'm on you.
I got grab. Don't wait on pulse. Just throw that in. Make them use transcendence.
They're gonna have grab. If I might have ult by then. Can you stampede? Play safe. We got it. Top, Genji. Top, middle.
Great, nice job.
Right,
Get him, it's purple. Fuck, Widow up top right. Up top right.
Behind us, I need help.
No heals, no heals.
Their Mercy's down. We have 2 kills. Widow's down. And we have the checkpoint.
Alright, no heals for 20 years. We both got you this spawn.
Yeah.
Just walking
Brian's on
so
his Zarya right now. Heads up.
She still has grab.
Oh well. F for the Reinhardt.
She's not gonna use it, but she still has it.
We can grab pulse.
Alright, sweet. That's what I was gonna save it for. Try to force out trance.
I got it ready when you want to throw it. Oh, I'm not there. Oh, I should save it anyway. Got the mercy.
Get the mercy.
I would have died to Genji.
Both healers down. Winnable fight.
Run.
Just peek it from right side.
Ground point.
Nice job. Alright, Tracer, I'm gonna trust you, girl. You're gonna get the biz, alright?
They're looking for grab, I think.
Oh no!
Just anti.
My bad, sorry.
We're good.
Behind, sorry, he's behind. Super high energy. You guys had like no heals up there for a while. Still wrecked.
My bad. Winnable.
Widow's not really clicking mini heads.
Yeah, she just bodied me. There's winnable fight right now. Focus fire. We gotta focus fire heavily. We can easily wrap it right now. Call target.
Alright, Thana.
No, you're right off. Lorian.
Focus mercy of boss.
I think we can't.
Focus Anna.
Corner. We're not gonna burn it. Have a good day.
Hey, fall back regroup.
Well, that was the day. Alright, there's none of us anymore.
Yo, is it possible for us to all approach deep right around the opposite side? Because the payload's like right there. Can we try that?
Yeah,
It might be doable. We can grab pulse.
I have a nano that I won't fuck.
We can grab pulse. Let's go right. Fast. We have grab pulse. Oh, we're missing 2 in the back. We're missing 2. We're gonna have a grab soon. We got a May. They burned.
Alright, that's a reset
1-0.
now. Oh good, they used that.
Got one.
I got grabs.
I'm out soon.
That was the dragon.
They burned the res.
We have 3. I say we just go
Get
left
shot
now.
from the-
Okay, I can pulse when you have the graph. I'm waiting for it.
I got you. Oh, the run blocked it. Both tanks. I forgot to key you guys tonight. I forgot to key you. That's my better.
Okay, I'm gonna change off. Let's approach from the deep left. I'm gonna try Bastion. I'm really good at him. Let's go deep left, all the way deep left. They have Widow.
Keep shield up. She's gonna keep shooting across that direction.
On the
Up
top.
top. She's behind us.
Fucking A, dude.
Oh, what are you doing, Diva? What are you doing even? What are you even looking at? Why are you looking forward?
Alright, we have one more.
20 seconds. 15 seconds. They have 2 dead right now. So you gotta try to touch. We gotta try to touch. Winnable. 3 kills. Ooh, no healers. They have no heals. We can win this right now.
Yes,
We can win this in OT. We have Bastion on the cart. We're gonna have tank form soon.
My ball might get him. My ball. Yes. Yeah.
Cancelled it.
I ate it.
Frigate's 1 on point.
Got the Merce.
Wow. Baby Diva.
Yay.
Good job, guys.
Yeah.
Fuck it. No ball. Get out of here.
she?
The thing you always run on defense, the Ultra Racer and the Old Fixer.
Ooh, I should I go Sombra instead to like try to follow the Widow around?
This isn't exactly the best Bastion call. I'd want the Orisa over the Reinhardt. I mean, Easter call, I guess.
Yeah, it's not that big of a deal, I think, but
The Widow didn't really do anything, so I'm not exactly
Okay.
concerned.
It's true, she really did.
The May did. That's about it.
Yeah, the May was
Only in
fucking
that
good.
last part of the map.
I fucking ate her old. Still proud of that.
Good shit, bro.
I know. So happy because it's just like, as a fucking tank player, fucking demon spawn.
yeah, Widow Hanzo. Break shield, break shield, break shield, break shield, break shield, break shield. Their shield's already weak. Let's drop, let's drop, let's drop. Use the cover. We already got one. Shields on shields, dude. Alright, let's go back top. Oh, they're still
Sorry,
pushing.
that position right.
What the fuck?
He's behind
right
or
above you
something?
guys, right above you guys.
It's both snipers above.
Fall back to point, fall back to point, fall back to point. Use the cover of point. We got one. We have.
It's alright, that's alright. The trade is fine. I killed both those fucking snipers.
Can I get some heals?
Say your hero name.
Thank you.
I have, trades.
Nice kill. Oh, nice res. Okay, we gotta play safe.
How did she crit hit you? Your
I
crit
jumped,
was
I
the other-
jumped. We might have grab. Our Bastion's left.
Left side, left side.
Widow top left.
Come back with a ult.
Save their shatter. Oh wait. We might have the win. We might have it.
Damage boost?
Mercy's low. Flood's low, I guess.
Ah, I got fucking sniped. For once.
You got Hanzo on top of the building.
We want to keep trying? I don't think,
I don't think we can hold it.
We're down to 2
Alright,
healers.
I want to back out.
We're down 2 healers. We have no healers.
I can
You're
contest.
just gonna hard beat.
Come back, come back.
We got the Hanzo ult out.
Oh my god.
Widow's still on top of the building. Widow's
Might
on
be
top of the
winnable.
building, so
Okay,
you
holy
have to
shit.
go up there and get her. Now she's back right. Fuck me, why did I even try that? Back right, gotta take care of her.
Point.
Anybody?
Yes, she killed me for free in the back, dude. She's still back there.
Yeah, she killed our tracer. Good stop. We're still holding it for a momentary. Where's the? Gave up the post for our soldier.
She's discorded.
Got the Mercy. You got the Pharah.
Watch for res, watch for res.
They can't res it. She's way back here.
Yeah, I got shot in the face.
Very close. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Stay by cover.
Damn, it's just me a little bit.
They
more
got off the
selective.
Pharah. They got a Genji instead of Pharah. They're not gonna have ult.
Oh shit, upper right.
Put a stop left.
Upper left, excuse me, upper left.
And it's
Zarya's low. Mercy's half.
She's one, she's one.
I'm on point.
I hate the
Mercy,
double
Mercy.
pocket. Just pocketing each other.
Good job, guys.
See what I mean, dude? Every game.
Yeah, man, we're fucking stellar. We're just good at the game. Why does that play the game? It's like nothing to it. One point, 20. Point 26, season 11, August 2nd, 2018, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. It's Thursday. Solid output, good team. Good swaps, smart swaps. I swapped a soldier right away, and then I made him get off fair, so that was good to get off the, to give up the pulse for the swap on the second six. Just smart things all around, just stuff to learn from. In transition. Oh, avoid as teammate feature working very much as intended. I avoided two stupid idiots bad at the video game today who I got luckily in the game afterwards and got to trounce them. So good stuff, fun stuff. Love Akers in transmission.